please come. Yes, please. How are you?
First of all, I already have experience with the basic and this basic and we already also basic sir CPU sir. So first of all, who is your instrument to taking? Why you come to taking?
Yeah, good, very good question. Actually, so many inspirational persons are there, but APJ Abdul Kalam sir is one of my inspiration, particularly for the teaching field.
In our classes, some students are not on body and some difficulties are facing. If there is anyone in our college.
Yeah, of course. Initially, students are like that only because they came from the intermediate background. They don't know how to sit and behave in the professional college like our BTech college. Once we call them and convey the message, they will check it.
Sir, in our area, there is so many colleges like Hindi, Urdu. Sir, why are you coming to teach us? And are you
Only at India.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Good question. Yeah, of course. Good question. Because for any teacher, the respect is very important. At our Lendi, our management as principal are giving most weightage to the teachers and give utmost respect for the teachers. That's why we are here.
Sir, we listen to our international motivator and already how to maintain our plans in our college.
Yeah, good question. Actually, of course, I am the coordinator for Yoga Club at our college also. Generally, when the student admitted into BTech, we are having orientational classes. At that time, we used to conduct the yoga classes for the basic awareness regarding our health. Later onwards, colleagues also came to that. Now in the R20 regulation, there is a particular period called health awareness and yoga and sports period. In that period, I along with some co-faculty created awareness to each and every student. How to